Yes. Yes, good morning.
Morning. Kamusta po yung preparations natin for the ASEAN Summit 2026 since meron po tayong events today, no?
Yes, yes. So far going smoothly. It's very challenging. Buong taon to. There are many departments involved. Dito sa PNP will be safety and security, right? So I think we'll be able to do it well.
Any directives from the President, sir, regarding the safety and security for the ASEAN Summit, sir?
Yeah, sinusundan lang natin lahat ng directive ng Presidente at sinasabi niya, siguraduhin natin kasama ang DILG at PNP na safe lahat ng ating mga dignitaries. We will be holding something like 650 meetings this year. So, like I said, it's going to be a big task for everyone. But everyone is cooperating, so we're confident that we will be able to pull off a good show, so to speak. Yes.
As we monitor, sir, the presence of the other countries as well as yung ating security nga, security-wise, is there any threats to be assessed, sir?
So far, there is none. Yes, maayos naman ang Presidente. Palagay ko, napanood naman ninyo yung video. At maraming trabaho ngayon yun, especially sa paperwork. Maraming kailangan pirmahan, marami rin kailangan basahin. Ang sabi ng kanyang mga doktor, magpahinga ng 1 linggo. Looks like, at palagay ko naman, kung kayong lahat ay kumain lang ng sabaw ng 3, 4, 5 araw, eh talaga papayat ka. Hindi ko po alam. Yes.
Sir, may utos pa ang presidente na painustigan yung mga nagkalat ng fake news regarding isa.
Hindi ko siya nakakausap tungkol doon, but posible merong utos sa ganyan.
Sir, nagkamusta pa kayo ng presidente tungkol sa impeachment? Okay naman siya siguro. Yung mga recent developments.
Oh, definitely. He's well aware about any issue.
Anong reaction niyo, sir, kung nagkausap kayo?
Hindi namin napag-usapan yung impeachment, but we're all aware that there are impeachment proceedings in the House.
So, for sure, yung mga concern niyo ngayon, yung naka-pahingi siya, tapos narinig pa rin naman siya for yung mga development.
Ang concern lang namin siguraduhin to improve government services, improve the performance of government. Yan ang inaatupag ng ating Pangulo at ng kanyang administrasyon.
Sir, kamusta pala siya coordination sa Interpol and other nations kaugnay natin sa pag-arrest kay Zal?
I don't have the latest update, but surely I will get an update when I get back to the office.